Hello everybody. Joe Vergara. It's ready to I have to pull out the box now. Okay, here it is. It is a 4K ultra high definition camcorder. Okay. Okay, we'll move this box here. That mentioned here. So, okay, we'll check that later on. This is the microphone. This is battery. This is the battery. Okay. And this one is the charging dock. So that means I have to put this here. When charging, it will be kept here. Okay. There. 4K camera. Okay. Oh my God, where is my... Okay. That's the 4K camera. I'll put first my microphone. So this is the now. Okay, I'll repeat it again. The camera. Oh wow. 4K camera. Now I will assemble this later on. The buttons are also here, the controls over here. And this is a lens protector. And this one is the remote control. Okay, remote control. Okay, so first we'll remove this lens cover. Oh yeah, beautiful. Now, removable storage device will be added into my computer window, and the corresponding storage file in the memory card can be found. Note: do not disconnect the USB connection while downloading files. Do not unplug memory card when the USB is connected, so to avoid data loss. So this one, Okay, so now the battery is already installed. Okay here. Okay, now we're set. Okay, now it is ready. Okay, okay, now we're charging the battery still, and it is now that it is here. Sorry, we forgot one thing here. We forgot this one. Mm-hmm. That's it. Now we are ready. The camera is ready now for using. So we'll just wait for the battery to be fully charged. Then we will start. Okay. So now here is the camera. It's already fully set up. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Okay.